that is why you put these on a little bit of an angle so you can get that out easier. Anyway, I'm sure you guys, what have we been up to? Well, we have been sawing, see it there, white pine, 8-footers and 10-footers, 4s, 6s, 8s, 10s, and 12s out of it. So, but yeah, we just finished. We're gonna clean up all here, and we're gonna start cracking open some firewood. We're gonna get that maple split and starting to dry. So this is kind of how the days in the summer go for us, or spring, sorry. They're sorry, I had my earbuds and I'm probably yelling. But yeah, that's a spring day. And undercover. Alright, well, it's late. 20 after 2. And just hammered through the, I don't know, 10 cord of hard maple that we had. We're going to move it ahead. That's the biggest swap we can make anyway. We have another 30 cord. We have another 30 cord of hard maple coming in tomorrow. So I'll see those here first thing in the morning. Yeah, we'll continue on cracking this open. Like I said earlier, today for sawing lumber to chop up the firewood. Process is working good. And there's our lumber. You're not giving me a hard time about not enough stickers. I know there should be more. These stacks aren't even right. They're not even 4 for lift. They're not even 4 feet wide. Our forks won't handle 4 feet wide, so we don't bother. But there you go. That was all when I posted a video in the fall, putting the Clark back to work. This is all that white pine I was pulling. We pulled all the logs out, and this is the lumber we got. So not too bad. But you feel the cool air coming out of it. And our stickers, we use the one we use for jacket boards, white ash. Doesn't stain it. And they get used up. Anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have some more videos coming up in the process of the GoPro. I got magnets for it, so I'll get it in. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.